it comes really naturally to me to throw precisely. And so when I was learning how to make pots, I would throw these precise pots, and I got reasonably good at it, but they kind of bored me, and so I thought, okay, how can I make this pot come to life a little bit more? One of the things that I did was to beat pots up with boards and sticks, and I'd poke holes in them, and I'd hit them with my fist, and really try to be kind of almost violent with the clay. It didn't take me too long to figure out that that didn't work very well for me. I decided that I was much more comfortable if I altered pots in a kind of as precise a way as I threw pots. I found myself being very careful with my alterations and very directed with them.